First, splash screens are shown to help a beginner user getting familiar with radio buttons, menus, and available adjustable parameters values. Then you can change the object detection type to traffic, choose MP4 file while browsing, then you create available object detection parameters. You can also then change the pixel distance threshold. Here we change it to 37 pixel. After that, you can actually change the frame distance threshold. Here we take 1. Then we invoke look good button and we go to the processing window until it's finished. Then we have this results window. Left, video playback manually frame by frame is possible via the slide bar with detection squares. And on the right, we have result information, detected objects, car count, average car per frame, maximum minimum cars per frame, and other parameters like region of interest. Then we can choose the directory to save the file. We can choose the path as well. The video path chosen will be shown and you need to press OK button. After that, you can try again button. Then also you can save options for batch mode to be used later.